Welcome to Math Nexus, where numbers speak and knowledge grows. Look at the question. Solve the following polynomials. A. Minus 3ab minus 7ab. Minus 3ab minus 7ab. ab is common. Minus 3 minus 7 equal to minus 10ab. Second, minus u square minus v minus into bracket 9u square plus 4v. This is a question. Now open the bracket, minus u square minus v minus 9u square minus into plus minus 4v. Now combine like term, minus u square minus 9u square minus v minus 4v. Minus u square minus 9u square equal to minus 10u square minus v minus 4v equal to minus 5v. Third, 3x minus 5y square minus 5 minus into bracket minus 6x plus 2y square plus 3. Now open the bracket, 3x minus 5y square minus 5y minus into minus plus minus into plus minus minus into plus minus. Now combine the like term, 3x plus 6x minus 5y square minus 2y square minus 5 minus 3. 3 plus 6, 9x minus 5 minus 2 minus 7y square minus 5 minus 3 minus 8. Section D, x square minus 5x plus 9 minus into bracket minus 10x square plus 3x minus 2. This is a question. Now open the bracket, x square minus 5x plus 9 minus into minus plus minus into plus minus and minus into minus plus. Now combine like term, x square plus 10x square minus 5x minus 3x plus 9 plus 2. This is equal to 1 plus 10, 11x square minus 5 minus 3 minus 8x, 9 plus 2 equal to 11. Section E, 6x plus 8y minus z minus into bracket 5x minus 2y minus z. Open the bracket, 6x plus 8y minus z minus 5x minus into minus plus 2y minus into minus plus z. Now 6x minus 5x plus 8y plus 2y minus z and plus z. 6 minus 5, 1x, 8 plus 2, 10y, minus z plus z cancel. Another question, 7 minus 2x square minus into bracket 8x square minus 8y. Open the bracket, 7 minus 2x square minus 8x square minus into minus plus 8y. 7 minus 10x square plus 8y. This is equal to minus 10x square plus 8y plus 7. Another question, 3x square minus 5x plus 7 minus into bracket 5x square minus 2x minus 1. 3x square, open the bracket, minus 5x plus 7 minus 5x minus into minus plus 2x minus into minus plus 1. Now combine like term, 3x square minus 5x square minus 5x plus 2x plus 7 plus 1. 3x square minus 5 minus 2x square minus 5 plus 2 minus 3x, 7 plus 1, 8. Last question, 7a cube minus plus 9a minus 1 minus into bracket 2a cube minus 5a plus 9. Open the bracket, 7a cube plus 9a minus 1 minus 2a cube minus into minus plus 5a minus into plus minus 9. Now combine like term, 7a cube minus 2a cube plus 9a plus 5a minus 1 minus 9. 7 minus 2, 5a cube, 9 plus 5, 14a minus 1 minus 9 minus 10. This is the answer of the question. Solve the following polynomials. 5a cube plus 3a square minus 4a plus 5 minus into bracket a cube minus 2a square plus a minus 4. Open the bracket. 5a cube plus 3a square minus 4a plus 5 minus a cube minus into minus plus 2a square minus into plus minus a minus into minus plus 4a 4. Now combine like term. 5a cube minus a cube 3a square plus 2a square minus 4a minus a plus 5 plus 4. 5 minus 1 4a cube, 3 plus 2 5a square minus 4 minus 1 minus 5a, 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Second, subtract this from this. Now 9x cube minus 5x square minus x plus 1 minus into minus 3x cube plus x square minus 2x. Open the bracket. 9x cube minus 5x square minus x plus 1 minus into minus plus 3x cube minus into plus minus x square minus into minus plus 2x. Now combine the like term. 9x cube plus 3x cube minus 5x square minus x square minus x plus 2x plus 1. Now 9 plus 3 12x cube minus 5 minus 1 minus 6x square plus x plus 1. 2 minus 1 equal to 1x. This is the answer. Solve the following polynomials. What should be added to 2a cube plus a square minus 3a minus 1 to get 7 plus 2a minus a square plus 4a cube? First of all, arrange the polynomial 7 plus 2a minus a square plus 4a cube in descending order as 4a cube minus a square plus 2a plus 7. Then subtract 2a cube plus a square minus 3a minus 1 from this 4a cube minus a square plus 2a plus 7. Now 4a cube minus a square plus 2a plus 7 minus into bracket 2a cube plus a square minus 3 minus 1. Open the bracket. 4a cube minus a square plus 2a plus 7 minus 2a cube plus into minus minus a square minus into minus plus 3a minus into minus plus 1. Now arrange like term. 4a cube minus 2a cube minus a square plus 2a plus 3a plus 7 plus 1. 4 minus 2 2a cube minus 1 minus 2a square 2 plus 3 5a 7 plus 1 8. This is the answer of the question. Question: how much is minus 8x less than 12x? Solution: 12x minus bracket minus 8x, open the bracket, 12x plus 8x equal to 20x. Second, how much is 4v plus z greater than 7v minus 2z? 4v plus z minus 7v minus 2z. Open the bracket. 4v plus z minus 7v minus into minus plus 2z. Combine like term. 4v minus 7v plus z plus 2z. This is equal to minus 3v plus 3z. Another question: what should be added to 2l square minus m square plus n square to get l square plus m square minus n square? Right? L square plus m square minus n square minus into 2l square minus m square plus n square. Open the bracket. L square plus m square minus n square minus 2l square minus into minus plus m square minus into plus minus n square. Arrange L square minus 2l square plus m square minus n square minus n square. Now 1 minus 2 minus 1l square, 1 plus 1 2m square minus 1 minus 2n square. This is answer. Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious with Math Nexus.